When resistors are connected in parallel, what happens to the value of the voltage across each resistor and current through each of them? Let's find out through this activity. We have 3 resistors connected parallelly in the circuit with an ammeter and a voltmeter connected across them. With all 3 resistors of different values, we can see that the total current flowing through the circuit is 550 milliampere and the voltage across them is 3 volt. Let's check the current through each resistor by placing the ammeters. We can see that all of the current values are different across each resistor. When we closely observe it, we can see that the total current through the parallel combination of resistors is equal to the sum of currents through each resistor. Now, let's check the amount of voltage across each resistor by connecting voltmeter across each of them. We can see that the value of all voltmeters is the same. This implies that in a parallel combination of resistors, the voltage is the same across every resistor. Vary the resistance of all 3 resistors and cross-verify. Thus, we find that when resistors are connected in parallel, the voltage across each resistor is same and the current through each will be different, which depends upon the resistance of each resistor.